candidates, we had one GD. Now we will have a second GD in which the participants will be those who have not participated earlier. That is, Anjali will be there. Then Nikila will be there. Then Sahil will be there. Then Prashant Shah will be there. Rashmi also there. Now, Rajan, why don't you also participate in this? One more chance. Let us see how it goes. Now, but I
Okay, sir.
don't know if they are going to speak in Hindi, you cannot. Which language do you prefer, Anjali, Prashansha, Sahil, Rashmi? आप लोग किस लैंग्वेज में बात करना चाहते हैं बताइए. Excuse me.
English will be better.
English for Anjali.
The English will be fine.
English for Sahil. Rashmi. Rashmi.
Sir, English will be fine.
Okay. Prashansha. Hindi.
Yes, sir, I will try in English. No, sir, English. I will
English.
try.
You also want to try English? Congrats.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very happy. Acha ji.
Thank you.
Now, next topic is economic slowdown. This was a topic asked in 2019. Economic slowdown. How would you employ unemployed youth? That is economic slowdown. How would you employ unemployed youth? The topic I think you are able to see. It was there in the material given by me. Has anyone studied this? I know you don't get time to read fully. This was the topic. Economic slowdown. How would you employ unemployed youth? This is the topic. Now I will give you, as usual, 10 minutes. Now, is it okay? Is the topic clear for all of you? If you want, you take 1 minute time in noting down some points. This particular aspect I forgot in the last discussion. I should have given you 1 minute or 2 minutes time for you to note down some points and then start the discussion. So, boys, those who are going to participate, girls who are going to participate, please note down the points in the next 1 or 2. I think you can take totally 2 minutes, another 1 more minute. Note कर लीजिए. Yes. Now the time for noting is over. We will start now. You will have 10 minutes time from now. Please start. Carry on.
Economic
session-
slowdown. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Good evening,
Economic
everyone.
slowdown or economic recessions can be caused due to various elements like loss of the consumer's confidence, high interest rates, stock market crash, and and bursting of wars, etc. The causes, the economic factors that causes unemployment are aggregate demand, global competition, automation, and demographics. These are related with economic slowdown that I would employ with unemployed youth.
I would like to mention the main reason. Hello, I'm audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Rajan's internet got cut in between. Doesn't matter. Now you start. You continue.
Okay, so I would like to mention the main reason for economic slowdown is one of the main reason is like war taking place in Russia and Ukraine, which affect the various sector in world, and due to this various layoff are taking place in the world, like very famous companies like Amazon and Twitter are laying off the various employees. So this is the main reason of economic slowdown. And for employment, I would like to mention about our India budget this year. Like they have focused on infrastructure development, where they have main focus that we will provide employment to the youth. Okay, anyone?
Yeah.
Yes, I would like to add, there are more solutions to this to solve the economic slowdown and increase the employment rate in the country. First of all, the RBI, as we are seeing right now, has increasing the interest rate. And then it also government should also encourage people to invest more. And so, as the investment become higher, the what we say the more companies will come and the employment opportunities for the people will also increase. Even in the budget, as Rashmi has mentioned, the finance minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman has said that the government will now focus on more on employment generation, as the it is the goal of the Amrit Kal that the growth opportunities for the people will increase, for the youth especially will increase. And then the credit facilities are also increasing day by day. Like government are giving interest free, collateral free loans to the MSMEs and many small businesses. So I would these will help to generate employment in our country. uh, Anyone else want to add to this?
Yes, I
Even
want
even government
for
helped can
for un- for employing unemployed youth, we should focus on self-employment opportunities and just educating them and giving them ideas that how can self-employment can be created. My friend Rashmi said about some schemes or some collateral-free loans which government is provide. One of example is mudra loan, but most of the people they want to start some self employment and this, but they don't know anything about mudra loan or any such scheme. So we should aware them, or just by creating awareness through social media, or just expressing by any way we should educate them and tell them about, and uh, help them to know about such schemes and all, so that they will start because when we the uh, for example, someone is open his store or anything, he can employ himself and give opportunity to people around him also.
even government
I
helped
would like to I would like to add point that as we have as COVID has just gone and the liquidity in market is more, and central bank around the world are increasing their interest rate due to inflation. We are seeing the economic slowdown. The addition to economic slowdown reason is Russia and Ukraine war, as uh, someone said it before. And if I talk about employment, self-employment is the best option at this time to employ the unemployed youth, because the interest rates are high, giving out loans are getting tough, and the banks around the world are also, we are seeing that failure in banks like Silicon Valley Bank and the Swiss bank Credit Suisse, which recently got funding from Swiss bank, the central bank, Swiss central bank. So the self-employment make in India is best option for employing a youth right now.
When
Anyone
economic
like?
activity is low, firms reduce their workforce and unemployment rises. This is a major point that is associated with economic slowdown. where youths are mostly unemployed. Just because of this lack of employable skills with respect to uh, the data regarding it. So
But guys, I want to add one more thing to the discussion, that unemployment is also not only increasing because of the external factors like economic slowdowns. There are now the people are willing to study more. Like even if we see the people with the age of 25, 26, they want to do PhDs and all. So this might be also the reason for unemployment increase in the country.
I would like to add one point in Anjali views. Like we can do one thing. Like in schools, we can provide vocational education to the students so that they can know about their interest, and they generate their skills at the school time. So that after their graduation or whatever they studied, they know about their interest and they will perform better in that field instead of roaming here and there for their jobs and trying to get a job. So we can provide them skills in their school time or then college time so that they can get better opportunity as compared to like this time.
Even government help the youth to get job by giving skill trainings. After getting the skill, they can get into various sector. Even government budget is also about giving job opportunities for youths.
Yes, even governments like Delhi government has introduced the vocational studies, and even they have introduced that business mindset for the people, for the children, so that the children can develop their entrepreneurial. I sorry, I'm not getting the word. That thinking forward.
Yes, now I think 8 minutes time over, 2 more minutes. Um,
At
those,
conclusion,
yeah, no,
so
I
in
think
conclusion.
no, not conclusion, but now some people have not talked, Rana. Who has not talked so far? Prashant, sir, were you talking?
So, uh,
Prashant, sir,
sir,
were you talking? Did you attempt to talk or not?
sir, yes, about self-employment opportunities, I talk on the ones.
Now, can you tell a few points regarding this particular topic?
Yes, sir. Firstly, as I said, for employing unemployed youth, we should create self-employment opportunity and educate some people about self-employment opportunities. Then other thing I want to say about like most of our population depends on agriculture sector, but in agriculture sector, but most farmers depend on rain-fed irrigation and all, so they don't get so much produce and all. If we give, yeah, if we educate them about some more options or some more irrigation techniques so that their produce may increase, so they can hire some more people in their farms and all. Matlab, we can educate people that how can their employment or whatever work they are doing, they will produce more so that they can hire more persons and all.
Hmm. Yes. Now, anybody? Now, okay. Now summarize. Somebody can summarize it, please. Come on, summarize.
I would like to summarize it with that economic. We have seen various reasons for economic slowdown, and we are all agreeing that we are on agree on the conclusion that we need to focus on the self-employment and the mindset of Indians, that we should do make in India and do more in manufacturing sector, so that there will be more people will be employed, and self-employment will be generated with more profit. We will also focus on the exports. I think uh, as our currency is recently declining, so export will be get benefited. And
And I also like to add, like, for employ like in the last we search for employment. We could do better, like if we focus more on the starting beginning of the like career, like in 10th classes, 12th classes, and graduation. Then after completion we search for job.
Hey, good,
I
very
like
good.
to, okay.
Yeah, now Rajan, come on, conclude.
Yes, I would like to add a small point, right? Like to have a certification or a soft skills as an added certificate that helps you to get employed, which you can outstand with most of us having a bachelor's degree. This would help you in getting your employment soon, sir. With the economic slowdown, nothing can be done. We'll have to go with the process and henceforth see how it is moving, sir. Definitely, it will not dip. It will come again. We'll have to have hope and search for jobs, sir.
Okay, are you seeing on the screen something relating to the subject? No,
No, sir. Mm.
no, I will show
there
you.
actually, I would like to add that there are already, we can see in the IT sector, there already are the vocational courses, and there are already courses of 3 to 6 months by which
Mm,
the person is getting professional knowledge and getting
mm,
job. So this is also can be further marketed, and youth can
mm.
also get job from there.
Yeah, in fact, after giving the topic to you and after you are talking and all, I was just making thinking, such topics we can even have what I can say brainstorming. Just try to find out whatever extra points somebody gets. So accordingly, when I was searching here the chat GPT, are you seeing on the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Uh, the chat GPT is telling promote entrepreneurship. You can extend on this point, encourage unemployed youth to start their own business. Governments can provide financial support training programs and mentoring services to help them establish and run their own ventures. Number two, job training programs. Governments can offer job training programs to help unemployed youth acquire new skills that are in demand in the floor market, in the labor market. These programs can be designed to provide training in areas such as technology, healthcare, and green energy. Number three, infrastructure development. Governments can invest in infrastructure. This point only came to my mind. Here, if we concentrate on this, we will get more employment. Infrastructure development projects, such as construction of roads, bridges, and buildings, which will create jobs for the unemployed youth. Community service, encourage unemployed youth to participate in. This point was not told by anybody. Community service projects such as cleaning up public spaces, volunteering at local charities, or helping the elderly. This will not only help the community, but also give unemployed youth a sense of purpose and achievement. Online freelance work. With the rise in digital technology, there are many online freelance work opportunities available in fields such as content writing, graphic designing, web development. Governments can create online platforms to connect unemployed youth with these freelance opportunities. These are just a few examples of ways to employ unemployed youth during an economic slowdown. It is important to remember that the solutions may vary depending on the local context, labor market, and the skill set of the unemployed youth. Now, I don't say this is in any way better than what we have discussed, but of course, this gives us some points. Please note down these points. Promote entrepreneurship, job training programs, infrastructure development, community service projects, online freelance work. So this will be useful for us. Yeah, now commenting about this year, almost all of you participated well, including Rajan. Including Rajan, you all participated well. Who initiated the conversation?
I started it, sir.
Acha, Rajan started it. Very good. That's good. Then number of tick wise, I think I have put Anjali's tick more. Anjali has probably participated more. I don't know because I was just noting how many times you were all talking. Now in your own group, please select one person or two people who you want to select out of the six. We will start with Anjali. Anjali, tell the names of two people you would like to select. You can include your name also. No problem.
So actually the names are not showing when we were talking, so I don't know who were talking or not.
You are very clever girl like Rajan.
No, sir. It actually on the screen it is like the topic is given, na?
Acha, acha, yeah, screen you can't get it correct because even I am trying to find only by going through the participants list and checking up who is talking. So that problem was there. Doesn't matter. Now, Nikila, please tell me names of two people whom you want to select.
Sir, I think Anjali and Sahil spoke well.
Anjali and Sahil.
Sahil.
Oh, okay, very good. Mr. Sahil, please tell.
Sir, I
Sahil.
think, yes, sir.
Hmm,
Sir, I think Anjali and Rashmi spoke well.
Very good. Prashansha, Prashansha.
सर आज मतलब मैंने नाम नहीं देखे किसी के, पर तो पता है कि मेरी परफॉर्मेंस बेकार थी, बाकी तो सबकी ठीक ही थी।
सबकी टीकी थी ऐसा नहीं बोलना है जी ठीक है राशमी
Sir, I think Anjali and Sahil.
अंजलि and Sahil right Rajan
Yes, sir. Anjali and Rashmi did well, sir.
Rashmi very good thank you no problem I just collected this idea to know how you are rating others. Now coming when we were talking about what is this employment opportunities and all I just came across this are you seeing on the screen now what is that some telegram page are you seeing telegram page or not no no you are not seeing
No, sir.
telegram page I'll
No,
show
sir.
you
Okay.
I'll show you you know how people are cheating others and in the context of this employment and all how people are being cheated and I think I'm showing you the screen. It is not that only in India the problems are happening. In Tamil Nadu, you may be aware a company cheated people to an extent, so crores and crores of people. They said, you invest 1 lakh rupees. Every month we will give you 15,000 rupees interest. They said like that. And I thought that is there only there. But now I find in my, because I am in Canada, I get like this here where they are cheating people like this. Oh, Baba. See, they say, come on, join today, inbox me. And somewhere in, they are telling you invest $500, you will get this much. You invest $2,500, you will get this much. Likewise, cheating, 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 cheating. So in the context of unemployed youth, again, people are cheated. See this one. See, Rajan, please read this. What are you reading? Read. Are you able
Sir,
to see, Rajan? No.
no, sir. No, not clearly, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Please read.
Promo. Invest $1,000, earn $15,000.
Please read again. Once again, you read. You are reading very nicely. Read. Promo.
Promo. Invest $1,000, earn $15,000.
Ah,
Yes, sir. Invest $2,000, earn $25,500.
no.
Invest 3,000, is
He has put
250,500.
he has put one more cipher extra also. How
Yes, sir.
cheating. Then
Invest
invest.
$3,000, earn $35,000. Invest
Very,
$4,000, earn $45,000.
very good. Now I want Anjali to read this. Anjali, how are you going to read this? Come on. Anjali, imagine you are in the television channel, you are going to read, publicizing this. Come on, read. Anjali, are you there?
Sorry, sir, what? Sir, there is a
Anjali's
network issue.
internet is not all right, I understand. Doesn't matter. No problem. I was just telling you about how people are being cheated. So one has to be very careful. There are so many cases I have seen in Tamil Nadu itself. People go and give money to people for employment and get cheated to an extent of lakhs and lakhs of rupees. So we should be very careful about that. Anyhow, this group participation was very good. You talked nicely. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Sir,
Any questions? Yeah. Please ask.
sir,
Come on.
in the second topic, how would you employ unemployed youth? Can I add some points to like
No,
control population or the use of freebie policies that people are dependent on freebie policies like this? Can we add this?
no. Freebie policies should not be allowed. That's what you want to say?
Sir, I want to say
No,
that when freebie policies are given, then like Konyasri, Shastro like in our state, these all are going. So some people, unemployed youth are there who are depend on this, and in this way they are, I mean, they down their intelligence, and they
yeah.
are not going to get
Their
employed.
ability, they are underrating their ability also.
Yes, sir.
That is right. That is correct. Now, anybody else would like to tell some points regarding, because it's a very interesting topic. Yeah. This can be asked in an interview question also. Now,
Yes,
anybody else
sir.
was
I would
here?
like to add that,
Hmm.
like that point you said that entrepreneurship should be like encouraged, so that we can also add that government schemes like Mudra and Stand Up India is promoting in this field, and because they are like government is ready to invest, many youth or the people with ideas are coming out, so that it is increasing employment.
And I may even go to an extent of telling it may not be possible. Schemes like Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Card, where they are paying only 100 rupees or 200, instead it can be increased and more opportunities can be given to people also. Supposing they start paying every day 500 rupees, I think many others, even +2 candidates, also will participate and they will also take part in this. So, and instead of telling 100 days employment only, they can make it as 150 days or 200 days, something like that, so that people get opportunity for employment. The reason for why employment should be encouraged, if employment is not there, it will result in other social evils like smuggling, then theft, cheating, so many other things comes apart from that. So that is the reason why government should try to provide this thing. And is there any state where they are giving unemployment allowance for graduates unemployed? All over India people are here. That is why I'm asking. Rajan, is there any allowance in Tamil Nadu for unemployed graduates?
No, sir. If you are preparing for any exams, that is where you can get. That day we were discussing about that IAS preparation. When you
That is
clear
a very
prelims.
that is a very new scheme that has come. It is a
Yes,
new
sir. That is
scheme.
the first time I have been hearing about it, sir.
Very good. Now, what about Rashmi? You are from which state? Is there any? Because I read somewhere In one state, they are giving some 2,000 rupees unemployment. I don't know whether it is Chhattisgarh or no, which state. They are giving some unemployment allowance. Which state
Sir,
is
I
giving
think it is in, sir, I think it is in Rajasthan. The
Rajasthan?
state government is providing around 1,500 to 2,000 rupees to
Uh-huh.
unemployment for
Acha,
unemployed.
you are from Rajasthan?
West Bengal.
No, sir. I worked there in Jaipur. Actually, I'm from UP, sir, but I am been staying in Jaipur for the past 10 years, sir.
Acha, acha. Good, good, good. Very good. What about somebody was telling about West Bengal? West Bengal में कुछ होता है?
Yes, sir. In Shubhoshri scheme, unemployed youths are get like 1,500 rupees or like some that amount like this.
वो लेने के लिए क्या करना है? एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज में
I
रजिस्टर करना है
don't
ना क्या?
know. I don't know actually that much.
Oh, doesn't matter. That's right.
In
Anybody
Haryana
else?
also, sir. In
Tell
Haryana
me.
also, sir. There is 1,500 per month up to 3 years if you register in an employment exchange.
Acha.
And
Good.
in due course, they call you and tell you about opportunities available.
Excellent. That's good. That's really nice. But nowadays in Tamil Nadu and all, employment exchange has lost its relevance. Nobody is registering. Anybody has registered an employment exchange? Please raise your hand because people go through other channels only, through internet advertisement and all that. Anyhow, thank you so much. Best wishes. What is today's day? Friday. Tomorrow. mm, Tomorrow is Saturday. Yeah. So Saturday, what are we going to do? Are you going to have GD or are you interested in going for? I think only very few number of days are there before us. I think 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 1, 2. Only 9 days are there before us. So how are you going to spend this? Mm, I won't be able to teach you each and everything. Only thing is, I will ask questions based on the questions asked so far. I suggest you please just a minute. I suggest you go through questions like this. 1 minute. It is not shown. I suggest you go through the materials like this where questions have been given and please prepare. And I think I have already told you about the questions that are available in that Bankers Adda book. Bankers Adda book. Then so many hundreds IBPS interview guidance. So many questions. I don't know where are all the questions because I have posted questions all over everywhere. Not only that, yesterday or so, I posted in our Telegram itself. Are you aware of that? Anybody is aware of that? One mistake I want to tell about you candidates is that you are not using the information that I am giving you. For example, I have posted here, you see, so many videos links. None of you are making use of it. I know about that because one, let me tell you, video links. Here, I post some videos because those points will be relevant for interviews. And none of you watch them. For example, NPA provisioning. Then USA raises rates by 25 basis points. Likewise, and then so UK inflation 10.40. How many of you watch this video? Tell me. None of you watch this. I am not putting it for fun. They will be of use for you in interview because in interview they will be asking about this question. So what is the inflation rate in say UK? What is the imagine the no just a minute. United Kingdom, inflation rises to 10.4% as food prices soar. Very good. How many of you have seen this already? Raise your hands. Honest, be honest. How many of you have seen this already? Please raise your hands. Only one person. Anurag only. See how bad it is. I am posting it in general telegram. I am giving you in paid telegram. Even then you are not watching it means what? UK consumer prices jumped by 10.4% in February compared with a year ago, as food inflation hits its highest level in more than 45 years, and as the cost of visiting restaurants and hotels increased, official data showed on Wednesday. Food prices soared 18.2% through the year to February, the sharpest rise since the late 1970s. The official national statistics noted particular increases for some salad and vegetable items, partly caused by shortages, which led to rationing by supermarkets. So this is a very important point. You know, this situation has not come in our country, whereas in countries like, say, uh, UK and USA, rationing has come. I think I told you in one video, when I went to some of the shops in America, there you find rationing has been provided. You will be given 2 eggs, something like that only they are telling. So uh, the economy angle, this is very relevant. Uptick in inflation in February inflows months of declaration since the pace of price rises reached a 41-year high of 11.1% in October. The latest figures could make it more likely that the Bank of England hikes bank interest rates again when it meets on Thursday. Although recent turmoil in the banking sector is expected to weaken economic activity as lending criteria are tightened and so dampen inflation, the Bank of England may well want to see hard evidence of that before it stops raising interest rates, said Paul Dales, chief UK economist at Capital Economics. So this is the point. I'm giving the link in the comments column. Please make use of the link. Thank you. Yeah, so this is the point. So this video at least is very relevant, and any video I post, just go through that. I am not posting for fun, not to get more views from you. That is also not my idea. See, I am giving some points because they are going to be. And similarly, this one, I am posting, nobody is watching them. Say this, what is this? Um, current affairs. Current affairs snippets. You must be able to answer questions relating to that. But none of you read that. For example, yeah, please go through that. I don't want to pressurize you. For example, if you go for interview in the next few days, these questions will be asked about Indian boxers, then about, say, about economic news, banking news wise, Canara Bank's sells a stake in Russian joint venture to SBI for 121 crore. Like that. Some of these points are given in every day. I am giving you snippets. Just go through that. At least see the headlines. Manmeet K. Nanda appointed as MD and CEO of Invest India. I don't know what is that. World Water Day was observed on 22nd March. Likewise, LIC Mutual Fund's acquisition of IDBI Mutual Fund approved by Competition Commission of India. This is a very latest news as far as economy is concerned. So only if you go through current affairs, you will know this. Anyhow, thank you so much. We will meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will ask only questions. It will be something more than an interview for you. You can volunteer to answer the questions. I will put questions. And in the meantime, if you are having some doubts regarding some questions, for example, this NPA provisioning, I put it, something very relevant. Can anyone tell me what is the uh, provisioning percentages to be made for NPS? Can anyone tell me the answer for this? Any commerce student? Any finance student? Nobody is here. Yeah, all those points have been told therein. In that video, I have told. So please watch that video. We'll meet again tomorrow. Any questions? And sorry,
Sir,
I was about to tell you, if you are getting some doubts about some questions, please send that questions. Um, I suggest one place. You please post that question in our Telegram page only. I will go through the Telegram page, find out what questions I can answer and tell you. But some questions are really tough. For example, capital adequacy ratio, Basel norms, some such. This provisioning is also one such tough area. That is why I prepared a video and posted. So likewise, if you come across some questions which you find are tough to answer, you put it. If it is possible, I will tell you. Otherwise, I will give you the link also so that you can go through that. Is it okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Tiyasa,
yes.
Tiyasa, Rajan,
sir,
Rashmi,
sir,
Anurag, Vaishnavi, Nikhila, Ajit, Sagil, Prasansha, Shrayan, Sanjari. Yes, please tell me.
sir, I wanted to ask you how to access the SBI site. I mean, what are the topic we should learn from the SBI site, sir?
So, very good. For that only, what I have done, I have given you this SBI. Just a minute. This is the page. Just I'm coming to that. Mm, I am going to OneDrive, our OneDrive, and in OneDrive only my files. In that SBI PO folder, in that I have given you so many points here. You see, I am showing you. If you read that, you may be able to get some idea. Are you seeing on the screen now? I have given
Yes,
you
sir.
in our folder itself some points like resilience, people, technology, SBI journey through numbers, financial awareness, e-book PDF, SBI group structure PDF, financial highlights 10 years, ratings PDF, central board of directors PDF, anytime channels PDF, and all this has been taken from SBI website. All these have
Okay,
been
sir.
taken from SBI website. If you go through that, that will do. But nothing else. You must know that one I think I have not given as on 31/12 figure. I have to give you 31/12 date में स्टेट बैंक को कितना डिपॉजिट है, कितना एडवांस है, कितना नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस है, कितना एनपीए है, एनपीए परसेंटेज क्या है, प्रॉफिट क्या है, ये सब आप लोग फाइंड आउट करके आ जाइए, बढ़िया हो जाएगा. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
And sometimes they ask silly questions like CM, governor, and all. For that also, I have updated and given you here. Okay. Then banking static awareness questions are there. Just go through. Government schemes are there. SBI PO 2022 interview preparation. Like that, I have posted something, started something, and ended it. I have told here, go through the website of RBI and prepare for questions. Go through IRDAI broadly, know about insurance. Regular questions based on family banking. Then go through the website of State Bank of India deeply. Supposing you want to go through the State Bank of India website thoroughly, let us go through that. State Bank of India. Just 5 minutes only. I won't take much time. State Bank of India. I think you are seeing online. Yeah. Is it coming online?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
State Bank. But this State Bank of India is not good, I think. Okay. If you click this also, you will know what are the services they are offering. Personal internet banking, corporate internet banking, SBI payments, mobile banking, Yono Light, Yono Business. दोनों में क्या फर्क है? Then corporate website like that. I think there must be some other website which is better than this. Anybody knows what is that website? SBI?
Sir, it is sbi.co.in.
Yes,
Second one.
Very good. 1 minute. So this site is not the relevant site, I know. sbi.co.in. Correct. Come here. Just a minute. See, we have to know everything. For example, you should know what are the different deposits they have, what are the various advances they have. Likewise, you must prepare from that angle. Then, what are the awards they have received? What are the corporate social responsibility? Again, I am getting this one only. This is different from the other one, is it not? Is this different from other one? Acha, you should.
Yes, sir.
Mobile,
SBI.
Please click on the second link. That was.
pardon? Online is again the same thing coming, na?
No, sir.
बोलिए.
Sir, please click the second link while you were searching on Google.
Oh, 1 minute. Google.com, State Bank of India. SBI.co.in.
No, sir, not this one. Second.
Second,
After that,
State Bank of India share price also you should know, boys. You should know the share price of State Bank also, and SBI loan accounts. SBI.co.in में मिलेगा. SBI.co.in.
नहीं सर, इसमें नहीं है। इससे ऊपर वाला जो पहले वाली थी ना, उसमें आप एक बार देखो।
sir, currently the site is inaccessible. There is some server issue.
Oh, then it's okay. Then it is okay.
Yes.
That is the reason. Because I am not
Sir.
able to access it. Doesn't matter. So, but one thing, what I want you to know is get to know the name of chairman, the number of executive directors, then number of branches, then total deposits, advances, total profit, then NPA, likewise achievements made, awards received. Bas, itna, if you know about this, that is sufficient. Okay, very good. Anything else? Any questions?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Hmm.
sir, there's a question like, what are the subsidiaries of SBI? So, what should we answer for that?
I have given it. Subsidiaries, I have given it in the material also. Subsidiaries must be there. They have got so many subsidiaries.
I
They have
think
got
30.
33 or 34 subsidiaries. And if at all you want to search, what you can do, State Bank of
Only there
India.
are 5.
No, so
13,
many,
if I'm
Baba.
not wrong. 13, if I'm not wrong. 130.
So more than 30 are there. See, this many subsidiaries. Are you seeing on the screen now? Excuse me. Are you seeing on the screen now? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
देखिए SBI card, SBI Life, SBI UK, SBI Sydney, SBI Capital Markets, ऐसा में भी बहुत कुछ सब what are, you can search in Google what are the subsidiaries of State Bank of India, उसमें ही आपको मिल जाते हैं. SBI Life Insurance, SBI General Insurance, SBI Cards and Payment Services, SBI Funds Management, then SBI Capital Markets, SBI Cap Securities, then SBI Cap Ventures, then SBI Cap Trustee Company. But don't read about certain things about which you may not know much ideas. So try to know something about SBI Life Insurance, SBI General Insurance, then SBI Cards and Payment Services. ये तीनों find out कर लीजिए, and also about SBI Mutual Fund. Apart from this, they have got so many subsidiaries, everything. But get to know when you go to their annual report, you will find how many subsidiaries are there. They are telling you. So please get to know that. I think I must have given it here. Subsidiaries. No. What I did, I called out from annual report and gave important points only. Subsidiaries also. SBI Group Structure PDF. SBI Group Structure PDF. See, SBI Group Structure. You wanted this question. I have given it in your own folder only. See, देखिए, सब कुछ इधर ही है आपका पास. आपको जो दिया हुआ है उसका अंदर ही है. नॉन बैंकिंग सब्सिडरीज, SBI General Insurance, C Edge Technologies, so many names itself very difficult to remember. So this is as on 31st March 2021. If you can get something latest, please get that also. That will be better. But more or less, it will be sufficient. Very good.
Sir,
Any
I
other
have
question?
one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, like there are various subsidiaries, so that sir we have to learn the head of the subsidiaries, like head of SBI mutual funds or capitals.
No, उतना जरूरत नहीं. उतना जरूरत नहीं है. But
Okay.
at least know what is their function. Which
Yes, sir.
mutual are you? Since a candidate for PO, we must know what is mutual fund, what is SBI mutual fund, what are the famous schemes of mutual fund. For that, what you can do, go to Google and search 1 or 2 days before interview, top mutual funds in India. And even among that, your SBI comes, tell about that. Okay. That's what it is. Then you should know about SBI cards is a very good organization. Credit card. They have issued so many credit cards. But topmost in credit card, which bank has given more credit cards?
HDFC.
HDFC Bank.
Correct. Which bank has given more debit cards?
SBI.
State Bank. Yeah.
Correct. Good. That's correct. So likewise, you must be able to answer the questions. Very nice. So please go through. I know I have given you all the content 100%. I myself, I'm not sure what are the things that are there, because I go on be attaching as and when I get new files, I attach them into your folder. So I may not be able to remember what I have given, but if you go through each and everything slowly as a student, take down the important points separately, आपको जरूर use हो जाएगा. But after our studying all that, when you go there, they will ask simple question about your place, about your family. Then yesterday newspaper, what you read, tomorrow what you are going to read. Likewise, they will ask silly questions. So don't worry. We will start preparing for interview from tomorrow, unless you want some GD exercises again. GD, or is it sufficient for GD, or you want 1 or 2 more GDs?
Sir, I need 1 or 2 more GDs.
Then can you come by
Yes,
7 o'clock tomorrow morning? How many of you can come at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning? Or
Sir, I can.
7:30? You can come 7 or 7:30 करेगा?
Yes, sir.
7:30?
Yes, 7:30.
7:30 ठीक है. 7:30 करेगा. आइए 7:30 आ जाइए. I will close it by 8:10. because otherwise इधर में हमारा रात हो जाएगा, 10:40 हो जाएगा. So okay, 7:30 p.m. today, that is tomorrow, that is 25th. So we will do like that for a few days. 7:30 p.m. to, if you can come at 7, it is so nice. Can you come at 7, please? If you can come at 7 o'clock, थोड़ा alarm रख के आ जाइए ना, no voice. So we will have it at 7:30 only, 7:30 to 8:10. We will have GD classes 25th, 26th, 27th, 3 days. Please come. Okay?
Sir, at
And
morning, huh?
morning, because otherwise, if I start doing it, of course, tomorrow, as it is, why I am not able to commit in the night? Because sometimes I give time for others. Tomorrow is free time only. Tomorrow, nobody has asked interview time for me. 26th, some people I have given time. 27th, I have given time. That is why, and hereafter, I will be giving time for you people also. So that's how it goes. So, or shall we have it tomorrow straight away at 6:30 p.m. एक साथ में आ जाइए. 6:30 p.m. Can you come? 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. You will be with me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No
6:30 will be
problem.
fine.
That will be better. 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. One minute. सुनो. सुमारो मेरा समय नष्ट नहीं होगा. No, my time will not be affected. Okay. 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. on 25th. Class approved. Morning class is not there. Okay for you?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it okay? No class in the morning. Only 6:30 p.m. 6:30 p.m. Why I am telling you, know, I will have my breakfast before that and come. That is the reason. Otherwise, we can even start early. But then if I start before that, I have to break for the breakfast. So okay, we will
Sir,
meet.
it's
We will have it at 6:30 tomorrow. 6:30 to 8:30, I'll be with you. 2 hours. We will do first GD, then we will take up interview. Interview, I
Okay,
will
sir.
ask any question under the sun. Any question under the sun, I will ask. Of course, that which will be asked in interviews only. I will not ask something which is not related. जरूर आपको use होगा. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.